Ambot lang sa mi. Kaya mag-vlog mi kay dagan mi ko sa aralpan. Vlog sa ako ba? So we're going to mag-vlog. This is what we call bond paper. Ay, dali oy! Australian na ako English. Okay. Yeah, guys, we are the cats. Cats dog. Australian. English. Cats I made. Dog. How do you call this one? Bond paper. Bond paper. How do you call this one? Notebook. Notebook. What do you call but water? Water. Water. What do you call this one? Ira. Ira. This is hair. 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 Guys, mag-concept kami. Dali, mag-concept. Hair. Hair. Kitay. Ato silang ganang teacher kitay ta. So, okay guys. So, we are going to, what do you call this one? This is bond paper. Bond paper. Rocks. Bond paper. Bond paper. Shut up, paper. Bond paper. Bond paper. Shut up, guys. Shut up, yeah. Lesson day. The lesson was entitled Jeremy and Ira. One time, there are two girls finding some treasures in the forest. And they don't know Ira is bullfrog. And they don't know, and Dara don't know that Ira is a bullfrog. Do you know what bullfrog is? It's a frog. It's obvious. Obvious kayo. Frog. Oh my goodness. Oh, ekot. Frog! Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you how to read. What do you call this? Oh, paranormal. Paranormal. Encanto. What can I say? You're welcome. You're welcome. Quit.
Kita ni mo ani may.
So shut up! Ipakita. Show them. Tignan mo ito. Guys, yung makitaan. So guys, magkuhan ni katong kisa mo to yung mama niya, kisa mo to magitar niya, kisa mo to musayaw. Dali, ako yung magitar. Pop like this. Dali na yung mag-read. Apat siya ba? Ikaw di kanta, ako yung sihitig sayaw, ako yung gitar. 2, 3, go. Ikaw di kanta. Ikaw rin kasayaw. Ikaw na. Ikaw rin kanta. Ikaw rin ko ang gitar. Ako rin gitar. Ako yung kanta, ikaw sayaw. Ay! Kanta. Sabay ko sayaw tayo. Kanta. 1, 2, 3, go. Pag beatbox mo na. Natay ko ang background. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't you want me like a one?
Hindi sayo.
Balik. Balik, oy! Anak ko ng good stick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Please tomorrow, tonight. All I gotta do is just meet me at the Murag tambot to ga aso mahigog masok kanimo. What can I say?
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't need me like I need you now. Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Saging, mangga,
papay.
pag pinagsama, ulok bate,